one of the hot button issues in with Muslim, and I think it applies to other ethnic groups as well, you know. But here we're talking about Muslim, that, you know, living in laws and the problem associated with it. So in a way, if you look at all the particular for example, from the Quran itself, you know, that, you know, and that the wife doesn't have to obey anyone among her in-laws. I mean, you can check that with Islamic QA. Okay. And whether that is the husband, father, mother, brothers and sisters. So in any matter, major or minor, if they tell her to do something which is obligatory according to Islam, or forbid her to do something that is haram. So in such matters, she has to obey, whether that comes from a relative, a stranger, an in-law, anyone else. But with regard to the husband, she must obey him in matters that's all right and proper, that is halal, because Allah said, in fact, if you look at Surah An-Nisa, Surah 4, verses 34, Allah said, interpretation or meaning, that men are protectors. Men are protectors and maintainers of women, because Allah had made one of them to excel, you know, slightly, and because they spend or support them from their means anyway. You know. And if you look at Ibn Kathir, Tafsir, and you know, said that discussing some of the husband right over his wife, Allah has given, you know, husband rights and commanded the wife to obey him. But at the same time, women has rights as well. But again, if you look at Surah Nur, Surah 24 verses 27, you know, you can see about, you know, for example, you know, it's not permissible for any of your in-laws to enter your room without your permission. Yeah. Because Allah said that, interpretation or meaning, you know, in Surah 24 verses 27. And these are some of the things. I mean, these are the things. I didn't make it up. This is purely, you know, from Islamic, from Islamic QA anyway.